In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the delete commands. Delete commands let you remove existing model elements, such as subbasins, cross-sections, river reaches, or manholes from your project. The process is the same for all delete commands, so in this video, we'll use the Delete Subbasins command as an example. To begin, go to the Input Ribbon menu and click on the Drainage Subbasins dropdown. Select Delete Subbasins command. This will open the Delete Subbasins dialog box. Here you will see a list of all the subbasins in your project. You can check the boxes next to the subbasins you want to delete, or use the Pick button to manually select them on the map view. The total number of selected subbasins will be shown here. Once you've made your selection, click OK. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to delete the selected subbasins. Click Yes to proceed. The selected subbasins will then be removed from the project.